Is your external component the Basic Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish localized application logic links. Before we start the basic library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Basic Library, a generic basic utility library. It provides foundational unmanaged routines for string manipulation and memory handling, facilitating the orchestration of internal data link manifests for proprietary software. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Basic is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the localized application logic file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the basic library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Basic Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Basic Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Basic Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.